Hello, my name is Elmarie Bouwer and I'd like to welcome you to my official blog. I have invested significant time and energy in creating this blog, and I would therefore want you to benefit from visiting this blog. But I also very much want you to enjoy visiting this blog. The daily posts on internet marketing, personal development, 4x4ing, I so love my Jeep, playing the sax and plenty more. Please participate in the discussions, leave comments, drop emails, interact, and invite as many of your colleagues, friends, relatives as you want to, therefore growing your own network in the process as well. I have pages on all the different services that we have on offer. Online internet marketing to start off with, for those wanting to do internet marketing training, but at your own pace and at your own leisure, as long as you have access to the internet. We also offer classroom training for internet marketers wanting to learn to become experts in internet marketing, for those businesses wanting the personal interaction and not only want to work at home at their own pace. We furthermore offer outsourced management services of your internet marketing. If you feel you don't have the time or the resources available to do your own internet marketing, we do that on your behalf, as long as you constantly provide us with information on your products, services, and your business. We'll do the internet marketing for you. We love doing that. Then last but not least, there's a page on our very lucrative and rewarding affiliate program. Should you want to sell our services to businesses to earn an income, join our affiliate program and have fun. Now, very important, I have a gift for you, totally free of charge, to introduce you to our approach to internet marketing online. A series of high-level training courses on internet marketing, yours for the taking, totally free of charge. Just complete your detail in order for me to be able to send you the links to these training courses. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop me an email, elmarie@fortitudesa.com, or to our support team, support@fortitudesa.com, and we'll chat again. It was good talking to you. Bye.